have to look for ideas, because ideas do not spring out of thin air in some mythical eureka moment. The idea for Netflix, for example, did not come from some momentary anguish on a late fee on a movie. We were looking for that idea. It was buried in a big pile of bad ideas. On April 14th, 1998, we launched Netflix. Now, the Netflix back then is nothing like the Netflix that you know today. To start, no streaming, DVD only. Number two, not a tremendous amount of innovation. There was due dates, there was late fees. The only real innovation was that it was by mail. And most interestingly, we didn't just rent DVDs, we sold DVDs. In fact, we sold a lot of DVDs. So many that by the end of our first summer, the good news was our first $100,000 month. The bad news, 99% of it was selling DVDs. And this was bad because we knew it was a commodity business, that pretty soon the margins would go to zero and we'd be out of business. But rental, that was even worse because we couldn't get anyone to do it. And worst of all, doing both at the same time was brutally difficult. We said we've got to pick one and focus on it. But which one? Selling, which is going to go out of business eventually but is paying the bills? Or rental, which might work but is showing no promise whatsoever? So obviously you know the answer. We walked away from selling and bet everything on making rental work. And from that point on, we were so focused on figuring this out that we tried everything we could think of. Buy one, rent one, get one free. We did promotions. We did all kinds of discounting. And I'm kind of a perfectionist. So when we first began running these tests, they'd be perfect. All the spelling, perfect art direction, every single link tested, every single bit of that process. And it would take us about a month. And we'd launch the test, and it would fail. And we'd say, oh, we just lost a month. We've got to go faster. So then we'd try and do the test in 2 weeks. And then it would fail. And now we've wasted 2 weeks. Okay, faster, a week. Okay, a day. Okay, 2 tests in the same day. And as you can imagine, these tests are getting worse and worse. They're getting crappier and crappier. We're having broken links and misspellings and the wrong images, and we're crashing the site. But what was amazing is that we learned if it was a bad idea, that no matter how much we polished the idea, it still didn't work. But if it was a good idea, then even terribly implemented, it immediately worked. People would fight through a crashed site to do it. They'd click trying to find a way to make this happen. And then we knew what to fix. We learned probably one of our most important lessons. We learned it wasn't about having good ideas. It was about building a system to try lots of bad ones. And that's why I'm not a believer in the big idea. Because the big idea doesn't count. It probably isn't going to work. It's the next one you try, and the next one you try, and the next one you try. And we tried hundreds of ideas, 99% of them bad ones.